welcome back to Horizon Site Pro. Today we're going to talk about templates. So if we go to the top tab, templates, these all pop up and these are all the different types of templates we can create. Now if you want to see more about schedules or punch lists or selections or any of these areas, we will do a video specifically on that. This video is just more about templates and a general talk on how they work. Now templates are great because they allow you to import information into jobs over and over and over again, and you don't have to recreate information. So if you do a lot of basement renovations, there's nothing worse than every time you do a basement renovation, you have to re-enter all the same information over again. You have to recreate your schedule every time. You have to recreate a selections template every time. That's a waste of time. So what we do instead is you create templates out of everything, and then every time you create that type of job, all you have to do is import that schedule, that selection, whatever you need. And you can have many different types of templates, many different numbers of each template. You can have 20 different schedule templates if you need, or more. So if you're also a contractor that does a lot of different jobs that are pretty common, maybe you do a lot of decks, a lot of basements, a lot of kitchens, and a lot of bathrooms, and you just repeat those jobs over and over again, you can have a schedule template for each one of those jobs. You can have a punch list template for each one of those jobs if you use your punch list for an inspection schedule. You can have a selections template for each one of those jobs. And when you create your job, you import that information. It saves you hours on the setup of job. Now it only takes 2 minutes and you're off to work actually earning money instead of doing administrative tasks. Now when you go into a job, you can also import information into here, and you can also send information back out if you want to save some templates. So if you're in the schedule here, you've maybe built out a schedule because you never created a template before. You build out a beautiful schedule for your basement renovation. You want to save it as a template. You don't have to rebuild it in the template section. All you have to do is click this little button here, save schedule as template, and it will be saved, and you can use it for all your future jobs that are similar to this one. And also if you're in here and you want to load in a template, you just have to select which template you want to do, add tasks, and it'll bring it right in. So it works great. There's a lot of different template types. They can integrate into all your jobs. It saves you so many hours. I highly recommend using this tool. But again, you don't have to create a template right off the start. You can just start diving right into jobs, build them out, and when you build some schedules, when you build some selections processes, and you want to save them as templates after, you can do that and save yourself even more time. Thanks again for Horizon Site Pro.